The year 2022 has come to an end, and in the year 2022, we have seen multiple different types of skincare trends. We have seen good trends and bad trends. And over the past year in 2022, we have seen the rise of TikTok. Now, TikTok is slowly becoming a platform whereby people lip sync and dance into a platform whereby they show you skincare trends, skincare hacks, and a lot of DIY products as well. Now in this video, we'll be showing you 3 of the worst skincare trends of 2022 and 3 of the best skincare trends of 2022. However, before we continue with the video, ladies and gentlemen, just click the subscribe button because it helps push this video to more people like you. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Iggy, your digital skin doctor, and for those who are new to the channel, Skynfyx is a platform whereby we educate you everything regarding the best and the worst skincare trends and skincare advice on the internet. Now in this particular special video, this is towards the end of the year, right? And for those who have been following us for the past 2 years, thank you so much for watching our videos. Now in the year 2022, we have seen the rise and fall of multiple different skincare trends, and there are some which are great and some not so good. So in this video, we'll be doing a countdown to the top 3 worst skincare trends of 2022 and followed by the top 3 best skincare trends of 2022. And trust me, you want to wait until the last one. Now let's start with the worst 3 skincare trends of 2022. Number 3, using MSG as a mask. MSG or monosodium glutamate is an additive to food to make it taste much better. It's used in a lot of places all around the world. In Asia and America, it doesn't matter where you're from, I'm very certain you have heard of MSG. However, over the past couple of months towards the Q3, Q4 of 2022, I've seen a lot of videos, primarily from Malaysia and Indonesia, showing people how they can use MSG as their own DIY homemade mask. Now in this particular video, this lady is actually mixing MSG with tomato to be applying on your skin. And she claims that it actually makes the skin much better, gives a nice glow to the skin, and at the same time is an inexpensive hack. And here also we have an influencer and a movie star who is a male, right? Who also says that he uses MSG mask on a daily basis. Now in my opinion, MSG DIY mask is a horrible thing to do. Now first up, what they're using a very popular brand called Ajinomoto, which comprises roughly about 80% MSG and roughly about 12% salt. Now the salt dehydrates the skin, making the skin really dry. It's great when you have a little bit of oily skin, but not so good when your skin is sensitive or dry. Now the issue with MSG or glutamate, there is no research which shows that it has any benefits on your skin. It's primarily used as a food additive. However, there are 1 or 2 clinical studies that shows it increases collagen. But in this research, the collagen is not your skin's collagen, rather it's your lung collagen. So because of the fact that there is so much uncertainty regarding MSG as a topical skincare mask, I highly recommend none of you do this at home. Now we continue to number 2, second worst skincare trend of 2022, skin icing. Now, skin icing is an application of cold ice on your skin. Now it is meant to have a lot of different skin benefits. It's touted to actually help reduce redness, reduce swelling, at the same time give your skin this nice glow and tighten up your pores. Now however, it is true if you do have some sort of swelling from trauma, application of the ice does reduce the swelling. However, if you have an active acne and you apply ice on top of it, it gives it a temporary relief only. Because what happens is, now your skin, after removing of the ice, your skin naturally wants to go back to its regular temperature. And hence, you can't be applying ice on your skin to 24 hours a day. Now, why icing on your skin is a bad idea? Now, first up, ice is really cold. Generally, it's below 0 degrees Celsius. Now, you're risking your skin by placing your skin at risk for frostbites, hypothermal injuries, and at the same time, if the water being used in the ice is unclean, there is actually an increased risk of skin infections. Now, an alternative to skin icing is you could soak ice water, all right? You could take a very clean towel, soak towel in ice water for a couple of minutes and then applying on your skin. Now, this should give you the same results from icing, minus or reduction of the risk from frostbites and hypothermal injuries. However, if like me, I would rather you get a face mask, put it in the fridge, take it out and apply on your skin. That, ladies and gentlemen, works much better. Alright, now we're at number 1, the worst skincare trend of 2022, sunscreen contouring. Now this trend was made famous by an influencer and at the same time supported by Gwyneth Paltrow, who's an actress, influencer and a founder of a skincare company called Goop. So what is sunscreen contouring? Now, sunscreen contouring means that you contour your skin or the face to enhance certain parts of your face, whether it's your cheekbone or your jaw, by just using sunscreen and not makeup. Now, how is it done? First of all, you apply a base sunscreen of SPF 30 throughout the entire face. And on certain parts that you want to highlight, which is like your cheeks or your nose or certain parts that you really like, you then apply an SPF 90 over those areas. However, you do not apply any SPF 90 over the areas that you do not want to be highlighted. Now, it might sound great because you're using two different sunscreen and you are using sunscreen. However, one of the issue is now you are deliberately choosing which part of your skin you want to have more exposure to UV rays and which part you want to have lesser. And over a long period of time, after 5, 10, 15 years, it will show the parts that have reduction of sunscreen applied on it will actually see a much quicker aging or what we call premature aging. Now the main reason why I do not like this particular trend is if you already have an access to SPF 90 sunscreen, you might as well apply it throughout the entire face so that you can reduce or minimize the risk of sunburns, hyperpigmentation, and at the same time melanomas like skin cancer. Hey guys, before we continue to the 3 best skincare trends of 2022, let me know what other horrible skincare trends that you have seen on social media. Now, if you stayed long enough for the video, this is the top 3 best skincare trends of 2022. Number 3, the rise of retinol. Now, retinol is a long-standing skincare ingredient that's been used for many years. However, over the past 1 year in 2022, we saw more and more skincare companies coming out with new ranges of skin retinol. Now, for those who do not know, the benefits of retinol is it actually increases cell turnover. It means that it sheds off the old skin cells so that the younger skin cells actually grow at a much quicker pace. Long story short, it helps minimize your pores, it helps give your skin this nice particular glow, and it also minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Retinol also helps absorption of your other active ingredients, primarily something like vitamin C or niacinamide. Now, in the year 2022, we have noticed a lot of dermatologists on TikTok and on YouTube starting to re-hype up retinol. And a lot of skincare products have now new technologies of retinol, which minimizes skin irritation and minimizes purging after application. Google Trend also shows that more and more people are searching for retinol-based skincare. So if you have never tried retinol, hop on TikTok or on YouTube or our channel whereby we have reviewed certain retinol products and go get yourself a retinol product today. Trend number 2, skin barrier repair. Now, in the years 2020 and 2021, most of us were kind of stuck indoors and wearing a face mask. Now, this has caused a lot of skin barrier issues whereby the top layer of your epidermis is unable to protect the inner layers of your skin, leading to skin irritation and acne problems. So with most of the countries in 2022 reopening their economies and their borders, and a lot of countries actually have stopped requiring you to wear a face mask, skin barrier repair is actually the top of the Google Trends for skincare. So now, for skin barrier repair, there are multiple ways to actually repair it, and my favorite is slugging. Now, if you watch this video here, slugging is the process of applying an ointment or a very thick petroleum jelly on your skin, and what it does, it traps moisture in your skin, allowing your skin to be more hydrated and giving your skin time to repair its skin barrier. And other ways to repair skin barrier is using things like ceramide and niacinamide, and we also see a rise in ceramide-based products as well. So if you have a skin barrier issue, go out and start getting your niacinamide and ceramide products and try slugging from time to time. And the number 1 best skincare trend of 2022, skin cycling. Now, skin cycling is a term coined by a dermatologist based in US, Dr. Whitney Bowie. Skin cycling helps a user acclimatize their skin to retinol, as retinol can be quite harsh and quite irritating for some people. Skin cycling is one of the great ways of introducing retinol to your skincare routine. Now, this is what Dr. Whitney suggests. On day 1, you apply exfoliating products, things like glycolic acid or salicylic acid to exfoliate your skin. And on day 2, you apply a retinol-based product at night. And on day 3 and day 4, you rest your skin by using a face mask or skincare ingredients which are soothing and anti-inflammatory, things like Centella asiatica or Sneomycin. Now, skin cycling is not something new in the world of dermatology. This is a way that we have always told most of our patients who wants to introduce retinol or retinoids in their skincare. However, there was never a name for it, and Dr. Winnie Bowie started this trend called skin cycling, and trust me, it has helped millions and millions of people. So if, like many people, you're afraid to try retinol or have had some issues with skin irritation due to retinol in the past, you can always try skin cycling. Alright, that's it from me. This is the end of the video, 3 of the best and the worst skincare trends of 2022. Let me know in the comments what other skincare trends you think are great, which did not make it to our list, and which of the skincare trends which are horrible, which we have omitted. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and forward this video to your family and friends. And do not forget to turn on the bell button because we release new videos on a weekly basis. So that's it from me. I'm Dr. Inky, your digital skin doctor, and always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay informed, and see you in 2023.
Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.